fixed. Nothing can go wrong now. Talk about ridiculous. You don't think it'd be like that, but then sometimes it do. I feel like I'm in a John Denver song. Only like 10 miles to go. I'm certain we're gonna make it now. We're too close to fail. Nothing could go wrong now. Nothing can stop me. I made it all the way back. What was supposed to be like maybe a 6-hour journey in a regular car took 2 16-hour days. And in case it hasn't been highlighted, how cool is that? Right against the ground, like the whole ride. Man, these little golf carts are giant.